Hello. I once asked a friend of mine why he's not scared of getting his electronics stolen. He said,
"If someone steals my laptop, they need it more than I do."
and earlier this week I realized I'm not using my Apple Watch as much as I should be. So someone else could probably use this more than me. So instead of stealing my electronics, I wanted to give it away to you for free. I'm not a sales guy, but this watch is pretty awesome. It comes in not one, but two colors. And it works well in the wet outdoors and in the dry indoors.
But Nas, how do we get the watch? Oh my. But Nas, how do we get the watch?
Good question. All you have to do is comment on this video with the following: the flag of the country you're from, the percentage of life you think you're done with, and your best friend that you think would enjoy Nas Daily videos. That's it. I will choose a person at random and ship them this watch for free anywhere in the world. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.